What's going on, guys? It's Ivan here, and it's spooky season. Today, we're going to be customizing your Friday the 13th Jason mask. Let's get into it. So I kind of cheated a little bit. This could totally be a one-day paint job, one-day build. I wanted to go a little bit more accurate to the film, so I went ahead and sealed in these holes. Two-part mix called Abe's Epoxy Sculpt. Mixing two parts together, nice even consistency. Go ahead, fill in the holes. Sanded them so they're nice and smooth and flush with the rest of the mask. And now we could go ahead and paint the mask. Let's go. Side note, the key thing with weathering is you can't mess it up. There's perfections within imperfections. It's gonna come out perfectly fine. You're gonna love it. Everyone's mask is gonna be their own, and that's the beauty about it. So don't stress out. You guys got this. Light grit sandpaper, very lightly we're gonna go around. I can see it at first, but that's when the weathering is gonna kick in and really pop out these little details.
Watching a master at work.